Varun Kumar. We are going to discuss now a session 2 of chapter 1 of class 9, that is business process management. BPM. What is the meaning of BPM? We know that BP is called as business process management. In this we are going to learn how IT sector is helpful for a business and how IT sector collaborate with business tycoons, and they are going to make a profit for both of their companies. Business process management is a process in which people use various methods to analyze, measure, improve, and optimize the process. It improves the corporate performance by managing the business process. BPM had a good contribution in Indian gross domestic products, that is also called as GDP. Next is school management system is also a good example of BPM. What happens when BPM is not available? If BPM is not available, then lots of problems occur, like insufficient use of time, more errors, blame shifting rather than resolving the issue, lack of management, and demoralized employee. BPM is divided into 5 parts. First, we have to design or make the process and break the process down with multiple tasks. Next is model. Model it using suitable BPM software. Third is how we are going to execute our plan. Execute the process or put a system in place. Fourth is monitor. In this fourth, we are going to monitor and analyze the system. Fifth is optimize. Make change to process to improve it. And whenever we are making a plan, and after making a plan, we have to give a shape of the plan, and after that, we see the results of our working. And when we see the result, according to our result, we can make our software or BPM better. Categorization of IT BPM. BPM categorized on the basis of how they serve the business. Integration centric BPM. Integration centric BPM is a full integrated approach to building and promoting desktop and internet application. Next is human centric BPM. What is human centric BPM? It is a basically focus on task activity and humanist skill in the process to create other automatic function to support these human actions. Next is document centric BPM. These are generally used for routing, collaborating, and approving a documents through the IT sector in business. Structure of IT BPM industries. IT BPM industries are categorized on the basis of certain parameter. First is sector of the organization is serving. In which sector we need IT, according to this IT industry is going to serve the business. Next is range of offering the organization provide. Next is by the amount how much money businessman is provided. According to that, IT industry is work and provide a wide range in which they have to choose anyone. Third is geographies spread of the operation. IT industry have to see the business and what is the spreads of business. It means that how large is business according to the geographic area. It also depends on which IT. Revenue and size of operation. What are the income of business? What is the size of operation? These things are on which IT business is dependent. Multinational companies, short form MNCs. Those companies which have office in various countries are called multinational companies like Infosys, TCS. They work in multiple countries and they operate from multiple countries. These type of countries are called MNC. Next is Indian service providers, ISPs. Their headquarters are mostly in India and they operate in other countries like Reliance. This type of company almost work in one country and also work in some other country, but mostly operate from a single country. Those type of country are called as the Indian service providers. Next is Global In-House Centers, GIC. It is an organization cater the need of their parent company only and do not serve external clients. They only work for the company. They are not dealing with the clients.